In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and add a GoDaddy domain to a Framer project to set up a custom domain in Framer. This process will help you give your project a more professional touch by using your own personalized domain. Let's dive right in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. First, head over to your Framer project. This is where you'll begin customizing your online presence with your unique domain. Look for the Publish button. This button is essential as it allows you to finalize your site for the world to see. Once you click on Publish, you'll notice an option that says Add Domain. Click on this as it signifies the start of making your domain live and personalized. The next step is selecting the Connect a Domain You Own option. It's an important step, especially if you already have a domain waiting at GoDaddy. Now switch over to your GoDaddy account. If you haven't logged in already, make sure you do so and proceed by clicking on My Account. Here, you'll see a list of domains that you own. Find the domain you've chosen for your Framer project and click on Domain. What you want is to grab the exact name that matches your Framer project. Simply copy this domain because you'll need to paste it back into your Framer setup. Once you've done that, return to Framer and paste your GoDaddy domain into the specified field. This will link your domain with your Framer project, setting the foundation for going live. After pasting, head back to GoDaddy and navigate to the Manage DNS section. This part is crucial for adjusting the domain settings. Once there, look for Add New Record. Adding a new record helps link your domain's address to your Framer site. Switch back to Framer, where you will find the necessary details like the name, type, and value for the DNS setup. Copy the first set of details and paste them back into GoDaddy, then click Save. This step ensures your domain can communicate properly with Framer. Now, we move on to a little repetition. Go back to your Framer project and copy the second set of DNS details. Just as before, paste these details back into GoDaddy and hit Save. Finally, return to Framer one last time to grab the third piece of information. Also, paste this into GoDaddy and save it. These steps establish the DNS settings comprehensively. By completing these processes, you've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your Framer project. Now your site is ready to be showcased with its custom domain, offering you a polished and professional online presence. Be sure to check your site to confirm everything is working smoothly. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new web domain.